How to fix voice chat not working in Among Us. Firstly, check for microphone access for Among Us app. To do that, open settings on your device and scroll down. Look for the option apps and click on it. All the apps that are installed on your device will display here. Go to the search bar on the top and look for the app Among Us. Click on the Among Us app and you will land to the app info. Click on the storage option and from the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. Go back to your previous page and click on App Permissions. If you see the microphone option, then make sure that you put that option on Allowed section. I haven't set up the app yet, so there are no options available right now. Now go back to your App Store, open Play Store on your device, go to the search bar on the top and search for Among Us. Now look for any updates that may be available for the app. If there are updates available for the app, then update your app. If the voice chat feature is still not working, then give your device a quick restart. Sometimes a quick restart can fix minor issues. After restarting your device, check if the problem has been fixed or not. If it's not fixed yet, then delete the Among Us app and reinstall it. That's all for today. Thank you.